New custom shaping, baby. What is that? Yeah, it is. Is it a poisonous snake? Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow. I've never been past this. I wanted you to see this bridge. Isn't that cool? Why don't you stand right there with your board up? I'll take a picture with you. Let me follow you. Let me get in front of you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come this way. No, come this way. Yeah, come with me. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, the only time you ever hear the haptic sound that they just added to the Onewheel is if you're like going up a steep hill. Other than that, you don't really hear it too much, but here's an example of what it looks like or sounds like. And that's it. I mean, like that wasn't too bad, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, snake! Snake, you want it? You want to see it? Huh? Gardener snake.
I didn't know gardener snake.
What is that? Yeah, it is. Is it a poisonous snake?
No, it's fine. I'm not gonna touch it.
I think it's just a...
That's a green, it's just a green snake. I didn't know.
Yeah. Come on, man. Woo! Dude, now that's a shot, bro. That's a shot, like going down with the GTs. New custom shaping, baby.